Sawadee-ka. Welcome, viewers. Thank you for watching my channel.
Yeah. I've been all around the world, round. Come and travel with your girl, I've been all around the world. Shine bright, feeling like a pearl. Hope you tuned in. Welcome to the show. Another episode.
I'm watching it live. Oh my god. With my glasses. This is amazing. Wow. This is amazing.
Like to make your head explode. I'll take you around the country.
So in particularly done in Europe, and we're talking about foods that are literally ubiquitous. They are everywhere. Artificially sweetened beverages, sodas, and ready-to-eat meats. Not good.
I'll take you around the globe.
Clouds are moving in the sky.
You around where the greens at, watch the plants grow. Blueberries, blackberries, beets, and beans. Tune in on your phone, on your TV screen. Come and get your body right when you eat these greens. Let me break it down for you, show you what it means. Health is wealth, so help yourself. Teach you how to eat good, feel like nobody else. Make you feel better than you ever felt. Come and put some nutrition right under your belt. We just living it up, living it up.
For the class of 2024.
Living it can give me your trust. Alternatively,
I am holding a bunch of freshly picked lavender flowers. I am holding medicine.
we're learning with ease about nature, wellness, earth and the leaves and trees. I've been all around the world, Come and travel with your girl, I've been all around the world, Make your body shine bright, feeling like a pearl. I've been all around the world, Come and travel with your girl,
The third waterfalls in Laos we are visiting right now.
I've been all around the world, Come and travel with your girl, I've been all around. All around the world, Come and travel with your girl, I've been all around the world,
Little 1 foot, little wide porch. Now that you'll know what they look like, wait till you walk around the French Quarter. You'll see them all over. You know, some of these people here would own 10, 15, 20 slaves just at their house in the French Quarter. You know, you can do all the cooking and cleaning.
Around the world,
Empire State Building.
I've been all around the world, Make your body shine bright, feeling like a pearl.
To other people out there. So I thank you all for allowing me this time and this platform to share my story. And I am excited and encouraging others to continue to do the same. I call that name a secret inspirer. You never know who you're affecting. So keep doing you into your authentic self. Thank you.